Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very pleased to say I have another Beebeecraft unboxing for you. I am doing this unboxing because they emailed me a couple of months ago asking me if I would like to open some products and make some tutorials with the products and show how useful and how quality the products were. And I said yes. They sent me some products, we did some tutorials, and they would like me to do it again. This is part of the YouTube program. This means that you can apply if you have over 100 subscribers, and they may send you some free stuff to open too, and to make some things with in tutorials. I am always honest about how I feel the products are, and so far I have been sent some very nice products. I'm very pleased, and I'd like to show you what we ordered this time. I have opened it because there has been a couple of things coming my way, so I really needed to just have a peek in. I haven't taken anything out, so let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, this is nicely packaged in this nice padded envelope, and this is all very nice packaged together so it's not going to run away if it opens. And I have my little code here. So I'm going to get into this, I'm going to sort it out, and I'll come back. The first thing I'm going to start with is this is 10 strands of mixed electroplated glass beads, and as you can see they are all different shapes, sizes, colours and shades. There we go. These 10 strands were £8.66 for the 10, so that makes them about £1.80 each, and as you can see that is a amazing deal for all the different beads you're getting. I really wanted to go for this because I was sat there choosing my items, and I thought I don't really want to sit here and plan everything. I want some things to come to me just as the products arrive and think, oh, I'd really like to do this, and I thought the best way to do that would be with a random selection of beads, and there are so many nice beads in here. So let's just go down one of the strands. Let's pick a strand out. Let's go for this one. As you can see, we have some beautiful beads on these strands, some opaque ones, some crystal ones, some sort of barrel shape there with a nice cut, a beautiful cube one there, and all sorts of absolutely stunning beads. This one's really nice. If I just shine this up for a minute, get fingerprints and marks off it. Look how beautiful that bead is. That's really pretty. I really like that. They're all so beautiful. I really wanted a nice mixed strand, and I can't wait to use this. Oh look, that's different as well. That one. Beautiful. I'm really glad I went for this mixed strand. It's going to come in handy for so many projects. So many projects. Wonderful. I'm really happy I got that. And put that there. I'm going to go for this here. This was one box, or 150 pieces total, and it's stainless steel wire hoops and these earring findings. I'm guessing these are included in the 150 pieces, but this is what I really wanted. Let's get in here. There we go. These are what I really wanted. I have lots of ear wires. I'm always glad to have more because they're very good quality ear wires. They're all very uniformly made. Lovely stainless steel, and some jump rings are always handy, especially the smaller sized ones. But these are what I was really after because I haven't tried anything like this yet. And what you'll do is is you will take the hoop here, you can take part out, take one of the halves, this one, take it out, you can bead it up and then put it back together and you close this down. It's so, you see this one's crimped and this one's not. When you're done, you will smush that down like that. And this will also be something that I can't wait to use. I'm really excited to get in and use those. That was £8.80 in this handy little box. And I'm telling you, I'm sorting out my storage at the moment. Boxes and things like this are really coming in handy for storage sorting. So that was that one. Next up, I got this chain. It's a Starlink chain and it's 9.48 foot. It's stainless steel and it was £7.45. And that is lovely. It comes on this handy card, which I like a bit better than the big reels because I struggle storing them sometimes. But that's a very nice chain. It's very good quality. It's not like it's misprinted or anything like that. It's a very pretty chain. The stars are a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be, but that's really not a problem for the project I had in mind. It's really not a problem for anything really. It's a very nice chain. I can't wait to use that and put that to good use. And last but not least, I got these glass Riveries, 14mm. They're mixed colours and they're £6.64 for this week. Can't wait to get in here and check out the quality. There is an AB finish one in here which I would like to see, because if you've watched my channel a while you know that I've been put off buying the AB finish because they are always so scratched. So we'll see what they are like in this wheel. I think this is the AB finish one here. Let's grab one out, give a little rub there and have a look. And that is beautiful. That's not very scratched. You can see quite clearly as I shine it in the light. That is beautiful. That is great for the price. Absolutely stunning. Let's go for another colour. Let's get out this nice ice blue. Let's have a look at that one. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. They're actually very good, very good quality for the price here. Beautiful. I really can't wait to show you what my plans are for those. Especially these red ones because Christmas is coming. So we will need this nice, I've been looking everywhere for a nice poppin' red and they're all sold out, and I think it's because it's coming up to Christmas. So that was my haul this time. I hope you will stay tuned and like and subscribe if you want to see what we decide to make with all these lovely items like down the line. And oh look, I missed that one, look at that, that's so cool. Yeah, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget about that YouTube program if you are a YouTuber yourself. Even if you are only just have over 100 subscribers, they may still consider you. You never know. Go out there, try something new, put yourself out there. I hope you have a wonderful time. I hope you will take care. I hope you will like and subscribe for more. Please take care. Bye bye then.